This man ignored the warning from the white sailors and jumped into the ocean to swim. An officer saw him and quickly sent a white sailor to bring him back. On that American warship, black sailors were not allowed to swim in the ocean. They could only watch while the white sailors had fun. But this man broke the rule. He started swimming faster, leaving the white sailor behind. The black sailors on the deck clapped for him. The captain saw everything. He understood that this man had natural talent for diving and recommended him to the Naval Academy. That is how he became the first black cadet in the Navy. But the moment he entered the academy, he faced hate. White classmates spat on him. Even the instructor did not like him. The first night, the instructor threw water on him to wake him up. Then he sprayed his face with a high-pressure hose. He even pushed his head underwater to make him quit. But the man did not give up. One day, there was an accident in a submarine. A sailor was stuck in an oxygen tube and could die. Only this man volunteered to save him. At the hardest moment, he took off his own oxygen tube and gave it to the stuck sailor. The sailor survived, but the next day, the instructor gave the medal to a white sailor instead. The real hero was ignored. The sailor who got saved felt ashamed. That night, the man went to a bar. The instructor was there and made fun of him again. The man could not take it anymore. He challenged the instructor to a contest. Who can hold their breath underwater the longest? They wore diving suits and jumped in. 5 minutes passed. The man stayed calm, but the instructor's nose began to bleed and he was about to faint. The referee opened the tank and the man won. The academy director was angry. He did not want a black man to graduate. That night, the instructor came again to make him quit, but the man refused. The instructor got angry, broke his radio, and threatened him. The next day was the final diving test. The test began. In the middle, the instructor cut the man's tool bag. All the tools fell deep into the ocean. All the other candidates returned to the surface, but the man stayed down there. He searched for the parts all alone, all night. Everyone thought he gave up. When they pulled the safety rope, a mounted support came up. Finally, after 10 hours, the man came out. He was freezing. His skin had turned blue. The instructor announced he passed the test. The man graduated from the Naval Academy. While leaving, he looked at his radio. It was fixed. He turned it off and smiled quietly. He knew this was the instructor's silent apology.